If you were a galactic traveler visiting our solar system $100 million years ago, during the reign of the dinosaurs, you would face a logistical nightmare. Where do you leave a record of your visit? You wouldn't choose Earth. Our planet is a history shredder, a chaotic engine of plate tectonics, torrential rains, and relentless biological growth that erases the past every few thousand years. A monument built on Earth $100 million years ago would today be crushed into the mantle or buried miles beneath a modern city. But just $240,000 miles away sits the solar system's great attic, the Moon. With no atmosphere to erode, no water to rust, and no tectonic plates to swallow the crust, the Moon is a pristine, cryogenic vault. A footprint left in the lunar dust during the Cretaceous period would still be there today, sharp and untouched, waiting for a species to become advanced enough to read it. As the Artemis 2 crew enters lunar orbit this week in April 2026, we have to confront a staggering possibility. We aren't going to the Moon to explore a new world. We are going to search a multi-billion-year-old archive for a message that was never meant for us to find so soon. The logic of exoarchaeology suggests that if an advanced civilization wanted to monitor the evolution of life on Earth, the Moon is the ultimate observation post. It is the high ground of the Earth-Moon system, offering a perfect, unobstructed view of our planet's development over eons. From a professional perspective, the Moon is far more than a satellite. It is a stable platform for long-term techno-signatures. If a visitor left a beacon or a mapping probe in one of the Moon's permanently shadowed regions near the South Pole, that device would be preserved in a state of absolute zero, its circuits protected from the sun's radiation for millions of years. In 2026, our high-resolution lunar orbiters have already flagged thousands of unclassified anomalies, geometric shadows and thermal spikes that do not align with natural crater formations. NASA's current obsession with the lunar South Pole may have less to do with frozen water and more to do with these sentry points that have been waiting in the dark since before the first human ancestor walked upright. The psychology of this search is deeply unsettling because it challenges our Terran-centric ego. We'd like to believe we are the first intelligent eyes to survey the lunar landscape, but physics and probability suggest otherwise. If the zoo hypothesis is correct, the Moon may act as a galactic filter, a place where a visiting civilization leaves a sentinel to wait until a local species develops the technology to leave their own planet. Reaching the Moon is the ultimate "I am here" signal to the rest of the cosmos. By returning with Artemis, we are essentially ringing a bell that hasn't been heard in $100 million years. This isn't just about science, it's about a what if that rewrites our entire history. If we find even a single non-natural artifact, we go from being the masters of our world to being the subjects of a much older, much more patient observer. This brings us to the recovery aspect of the 2026 missions. In professional mysterious circles, there is a growing theory that we have already found something. The sudden, synchronized rush by global superpowers to reach the lunar South Pole suggests a race to a specific set of coordinates, a cold case retrieval of an object that has been sitting in the Shackleton crater since the age of the Titans. If Artemis 2 is carrying specialized sensors to detect non-terrestrial materials, then the mission is no longer about discovery, it's about the acquisition of technology that predates human civilization. We are looking for a letter in a bottle cast into the lunar sea $100 million years ago, and the first nation to read that letter will control the future of human physics. As we track the Orion capsule's progress this month, we are watching the most important archaeological dig in history unfold in real time. The Moon is a mirror reflecting our own curiosity, but it is also a vault holding the secrets of a visit that happened while the Earth was still green and prehistoric. This channel is dedicated to exploring these invisible timelines, the moments where our current technology finally catches up to the ancient mysteries of the void. We delve into the intersection of quantum physics, planetary history, and the psychological impact of meeting the other on a world where the clock stopped a billion years ago. If you want to be part of the generation that finally unlocks the solar system's attic, you need to follow this investigation. Subscribe and join us as we analyze the data the world isn't ready to hear, because the Moon isn't just a rock in the sky, it's a witness.